Jason Piper is back again. This is his great son, Caden's truck, an amazing 2023 RST Chevy Silverado 4x4. I love the gray. It looks amazing with our Everest Edition package. So the biggest thing I want to extend to you all is Chevrolet, Ford, Ram, Nissan, Toyota, does not matter. We're here to make the vehicle next level, just like we did with the 6-inch lift, 35s on 20x12s and 13.5 wides. Now, unbelievable in that, first of all, we're so limited on the Chevy overall as far as the width there, but our guys are surgeons. They do a great job to make sure we have full articulation and range, things that many places would say will not work. Many would tell you that a 6-inch lift on 12 wides and 13.5 wides will not work, but you know, right here at Willies, we got it going on. We're even on Toyo Open Country mud terrain tires in the 13.5 fashion. On the Fuel Maverick, now the Fuel Maverick, you know, is one of my all-time favorite wheels. It is so clean and classy. It just goes, it's a timeless wheel over and over again. It's gonna work and be there for you. Also, back here in the back, we've got the Flowmaster American Thunder Series exhaust. I need to hear this and show it to you, so let's do a little exhaust note. That really just takes the V8 to the next level as far as just sound, and definitely give you some more performance as far as just throttle responsiveness. I really like this two-tone interior. We got the brown and tan action going on. You would just think it was going to have a black, but then you got the really nice big new design interior, the touch screen and LCD screen, full function all the way around. You got moonroof, leather seats, just a great interior. Let's jump in, show you a first person view of, honestly my first time in here. First time. Got your maps. So, you know, it's more of a elongated screen than it is just a tall or a rectangle screen. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, power, tailgate, push to start button, typical features, heated seats. Oh yeah, I'm impressed. They've done a good job with this truck, but you got to compete with the Fords, baby. So Caden, congratulations on your beautiful truck. We're about to do some window tint for you to wrap this thing up. It looks amazing. I mean, very fitting for this truck to be on the Everest Edition platform. I think the Chevrolets definitely look better, you know, 4 inches or taller. I think just a leveled Chevy doesn't look as good as a leveled F-150, if that makes sense. But definitely these Chevy Everest Edition trucks are here to stay. Come see us for everything auto, including Chevy Silverado action, any year, make, and model. We got you covered. Trust in us, because we are rocking and rolling, and we don't plan on stopping forever, y'all. Peace out.